Dan Rubin, HRV Homes, want to provide you with another quick update on our Southie triple project. All of our finished carpentry is mostly completed. We've trimmed out all of our doors, windows, all of our stair treads are in. Everything's been sprayed out. Our HVAC systems have been installed. Our power is on. Mantles have been installed on our fireplaces. Interior tile work has begun. Next up, we got our hardwood floors going in. After that, kitchen cabinets will get delivered, and this project will be headed towards the finish line.